I'm going to introduce you to perhaps one of my favorite features within Microsoft Word. And why is it my favorite? Because of how quick and simple it is. I'm going to introduce you to creating a table of contents within Microsoft Word using Microsoft Word styles. Now, before we can actually create the table of contents, we need to prepare the document to receive and to be able to generate the table of contents. And the way that we prepare a document is by utilizing built-in Microsoft Word styles. Now, way back when, several videos ago, I introduced you to using styles within Word. Essentially, styles, if we go back to our Home tab for a moment, over on the right, you've got a section called Styles, and essentially styles are canned formatting, like predefined formats. Font color, font size, font type, and so on. Okay? Canned styles that you can use within your document. This creates consistency throughout the look and feel of your document. You utilize the same style, you're guaranteed to have the same colors and so on. Now, not only does it create consistency and a really quick way to create formatting in the document, but by using a specific set of styles, specifically the heading styles, heading 1, 2, 3, and so on, you can have Microsoft Word generate your table of contents for you. Now, let's think about a table of contents for a moment. Open in front of you, I've got the example file that comes with this lecture. It's number 24, Word TOC. Make sure you download it, follow along with me. So it's 5 pages long, and throughout the document, I've put in some headers, building a table of contents. If I scroll down, TOC based on styles. Keep going, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and so on. Throughout these 5 pages, I've just put in a couple of headers. Now, what I like to do is I want to build a table of contents that shows up on the very first page of this document that gives us a quick outline of all the various sections or headers of this document. And not only do I want to see the actual text, but I want it to give me the page number as well. I can see where editing TOC with styles is located at in this document. And I want to be able to click on that header up inside the table of contents and have it take me to that section of the document, right? Think about opening up a textbook, right? You flip to the beginning of that textbook, you got the table of contents. Now, it'd be nice if you could tap on it and have it take you there. Physical book, no, but digital, yeah, click on it, take you right to that spot. You've got your table of contents. Now, I've got various headers in here. That's kind of one step. You got to set up those headers. You got to create sections within the document. Those areas that you want to call out within your table of contents. Kind of step 1. Step 2, we have to format them. And we're going to use specific styles here. Specifically, we're going to use heading 1, 2, and 3. And the reason we're going to use these is Microsoft Word utilizes headers to help it identify what should be included in the table of contents. All right, take a look. So first one, I'm going to take building a table of contents, and I'm going to go up to my Home tab, into Styles, and I'm going to make it a heading 1. There we go. I'm going to scroll on down. Let's say a TOC based on styles. That's a heading 1 as well. Heading 1, I'm going to make it a heading 1. Now heading 2, I'm going to mix it up here a little bit, and I'm going to make that a heading 2 style. Heading 3, which is just the next header down below, I'm going to make that a heading 3. Now let's stop right there for a moment. Here's the significance of heading 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now remember, Microsoft Word, when we say Word, create a table of contents based on this document, it's going to build it based on what we've tagged or styled using these heading styles. Now, how they get interpreted is kind of a hierarchy. Heading 1 becomes a top level element within the table of contents. Anything styled as a heading 2 becomes a sub element within the table of contents. Heading 3, additional sub element underneath there, and continues to go. Heading 1 will be top level, heading 2 right below that, level 3, heading 3 will be right below that. Okay. So I'm going to keep going here, just styling my document. We'll make this one, we'll go back to a heading 1. That'll be a heading, let's make that a heading 2 just for fun. And I'm just going to kind of pick and choose. Let's say that'll be a heading 2 as well. Colors and alignment, heading 2. Page numbers, we'll make that a heading 2 as well. And I think I got 2 more in here, and that'll be a heading 1. Nope, one last one. Okay, that's it. So I've gone through and I've got my headers in there, and now I've formatted them using the built-in heading styles. Heading 1, 2, and 3. Now you can keep going. You got heading 4s and 5s and so on. You can use those, but I'm just going to go up to 3. That's it. We've now got our document prepared for a table of contents. You've got the headers, and you've formatted them using the specific heading styles. Now remember, it's all based on hierarchy. Heading 1 will be a level 1 inside your table of contents. Heading 2 will be a sub-element. Heading 3 would be a sub-sub-element, and so on. So try this out. Make sure you download the exercise file, go through and style the document, style the heading specifically. And in the next video, we're going to see just how simple and just how quick it is to be able to create a dynamic table of contents based on styles within Microsoft Word.